Hello, my people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let me share this one in on the other page. How do you go call it? You go to idea. That is income. You should don't worry. They come for you very soon. Wait, make I do this video finish. Now your own be the next. Guys, the marathon video we do today. Once I finish this one, I go switch to another video. We go nowhere. My people, hit the like button and share the video. Don't tell where we do live video. This is the other one. Zoranks, I need to get back to you and will comment on your room. Since I came back from Lagos, so many things. But we slow down, we march forward. Nothing the power. We slow down. My people, and I know say this their 100 days. Some people, I say some people do 100 days fasting. Now let me teach you importance of fasting. Fasting resets your body. For those of you who can be able to, when you starve your body, you get how they regenerate even your organs. If you know they like on drugs, so you say you must take drug in the morning, this and that, you learn how to fast. Fast and be eating fruit, vegetable, all those things. Just fast. You will see your body will pump down, shrink. Soon, you will see it will look as if there is new energy in you. So, for those of you that fasted for 100 days, all of a sudden it seems as if you are getting power. Like if you maintain fasting the way it's supposed to be, you eat the right time, drink enough water, vegetables, fruits, salad. Because some of you, I don't know, religion did not say you should not eat good food. Religion did not say you should not. I'm not against you being a Christian. No. I have Christian friends, as you people can attest to. Me, I did church the other day. No be me, I'm bishop. Wait, make I put that my photo with bishop. More na the see. No be bishop, sorry, parish priest. After they go, just use that one to saying lie. Oh, ngwanezenu nuka nwoke bu akwụkwọ nsọ. No, make I comot this one. Nezenu na ebe m bụ akwụkwọ nsọ Jehova. N'elu m ebe m bụ akwụkwọ nsọ Jehova. Okwu Chineke. N'elu ka ndị nsọ pakịrị nwanne be anyị ja mkpa with ụkọ. Gị na parish priest go na-ese foto. Adịghị m against ụka ị na-eje o. Adịghị m against na ị na-eje ụka. Jee ụka kpewere chi gị otu ọbụla isi chọọ. Abịa n'afọ ọsọ m. Onwe nke gị ya dịrị gị ka nke mme gịnị dịrị m. Ịghọtago? Bible ga esoghọ m na ndị na-akpọ Bible ọkụ. Because I know it's a book. I'm a man of books. Even enwechakwu nwe ma akwụkwọ Biafra. Hold on. Keye diya. The politics of Biafra. Una na afia. So, ihe ọ bụla ifuru na-ekwu maka adịmghị nọ n'akụkụ, a na-emebu ụzọ jee mere ya research. Well, let me block one also. Una know me now, if I never block bingo, I know they happy. You open a natural and me made that unu abụ ndị Biafra, enwe ndị bụ Biafra, enwe ndị bụ Biafra. Nka ga-emekwa video kọwaa those two, gosi gị the difference. Yes, enwe ndị genuinely na-achọ for Biafra, then nwe ndị ori ji ezu ori. Ndị nke bụ ezigbo ndị Biafra, unu afra akwa the politics of Biafra and the future of Nigeria by Children of Udele. Jee gụọ akwụkwọ, then appendix by Chukwuma Soludo. See it here. Never. JJ go each go about Biafra. I don't agree with everything in this book, but at least it's better than most of all those things say Jack confusion. Nka had to go apart. Now, Omuka, me I no get problem with your church. I no get problem with you say you be Christian. Many of my friends na Christian. The person wey carry me go this Catholic church na my friend. Tomorrow, if you invite me again, I go still go. You invite me for Sele, I go Sele. You invite me, I be make I go selection. Una provoke me now, go so white too. This Sunday, I go see me for Sele. If them two cry over the church where I go, next Sunday na Sele una go see me. Then one Saturday I go Sabbath. The one why I never chop to go na Mountain of Fire, because by the time I go, we've had na issue over. Fetoro when issue over die mamu nke wana a ga-efenishi before Chineke. Ele di Chineke a na-ekpere ihe a ga-efe efe ji ma ya na-aza m ekpere. Ele Chineke dị ihe m ga-efe ji ishi mgbe a na-azụla m ekpere isi ọwụ egbuole m. Fegide da ha sọwa anointing na o kwuru ekwu na ọgwụ obu n'ahụ kwaturu ya. Ọ bụdụ m na unu agadi m ekwe agagadi m. So what we are saying is not like, oh, we are attacking your religion. Now that takes us to why I'm doing this video. Fasting dey good though. When you fast, no go think say na anointed shaba. I see Nkechi. Oh, I saw you in the realm of spirit where they don't go use you. Me, I dey talk out of experience. They what, because I don't see them koro. They don't use people for my village. My uncle see their house, see my grandfather's house for village. Ada Kunem, I've seen Ada Kunem in this place I'm talking about. I'm telling you, I dey talk with evidence. But I know say our case for court never finish na here. Now why I no go mention some kind names? Yes. Now the name why I go mention, no beside the fear person. Now by court pronouncement, court judge say make I no talk. Let me block Umu Okoko. Let me block Umu Tobosolo. Not be by anointing. People will get to anointing power. But now judge. They now tell ordinary carnal man, make you no call in him. So my people, there is about people that are about to be robbed. This anointing where they no go contest for court, where they want switch body. On another side, they write book about this court where they go. He gets one chapter where una go read from that book. The title go be body switching. I no go, say they say make we no talk wetin dey happen. Now why their lawyers know they come they tell una wetin dey happen for the case. So the case never finish, e still dey court. Adjournment in November. Adjournment in November. But make una ask Zorans. Somebody even send Zorans the video of the body switching where they want to do. At the end of the day, I am happy we have this type of legal system. Shebi I go call my witness. No be go bring somebody. Me, I know who me and I get problem. No go bring another person one switcher. Ama me watageba Nigeria. If you are close to Zorans, tell Zorans, he go explain to you very well. We even get their video now. Person where they answer to anyway. I no go mention the name yet. Okay. This one say try call Zion make you see something. No be by power of your Zion wey you write. Now you know wetin be Zion o. Odogbata cut this place for me. Screenshot this comment for me at least. No evidence. Umokoko. No be by the power of your fake ministry. It's the power of court. Una no get power. Oh, I don't want to do the thing itself because I don't know the name. I know the hear say some people want to do something for Ngor Okpala. Oh, now you dey write the name. As for name, now you dey write name. Oh. Somebody screenshot am for me. Screenshot am for me. Odogwata, you there? Wait, make I call Odogwata to make sure say dey there. Somebody screenshot that comment for me. Wait, make I use this phone. Make I even use this phone snapper. Bakam. Check him again. Or your video ram. Okay. Make a video ram. When I never see something, he said, try call Zion. Make waiting. Okay, oh, make you see yourself. Make a video ram. And the video ram. Wait, make a video ram very well. You say, try call Zion, make you see something. Don't hold up. Evidence. Your guy go come start, he go enter stand. This one a miracle. On a go contest am for court. Then go see am. Well, I tell you, I say no be by fight, no be wetin they do, they go back. Na lie. I no get reverse gear. We go finish am. All those on our lies. I say, I'm writing the book already. We are at chapter 8. I don't write and finish this case. Let them drag am to Supreme Court. He will even make the book to be in volumes. Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3. If he lasts 15 years, I go do am 15 years. Okay? If he lasts 15 years, I go do am for 15 years. No be transport to the go court. I go court. Ijele, your passport. If I need my passport, I go collect am. If that judge no give me, the CJ, this thing, the CJ office, I go remove and put for another judge. Where that passport dey, I don't expire. I don't need am again. That make me leave am there. And I no get where I want travel go. If I get where I want travel go, then go bring that passport come. Me run for this case. On what ground are you using the passport? Say me one wrong. Case where I do like he will come and wake a dead body or what, or the key, padlock, or Jonathan. Video no be real again. What under what? No, now. No. forgive who? Case is still there on. So this anointing, before you go take am read, make dem first come perform am for court, make dem see am. Or Soludo give challenge. See Imo State, see Anambra. In fact, in certain places, if you enter inside one bush, waka 2 seconds, you don from Imo State enter Anambra. Anambra no far from Imo State. Why una no even try at least say make una go any place in Teje? Many camps full in Teje. Space dey. Why they no go do am for this place where the governor dey challenge people? At least governor throw challenge. This one no be me again. Governor throw challenge. No be me dey talk again. Na Governor Soludo dey talk. Make them go. Let them prove Soludo wrong, or come prove me wrong in court. Me, I still wan go. I want, sometimes I dey even miss my guys for Ikoyi prison. Some still dey there, many don go. Come go do this miracle, make we see. Come put your hand on the Bible, because you will take your oath with the Bible over there. Me, Namado, I dey use swear my own. Put your hand on the Bible and say that this Jonathan the padlock man, say na so it happen. I still get the video. I beg. More na do make I enter defense. I no be Nnamdi Kanu wey dey run for defense. And since we start everything on the internet, can we all agree that the whole process should be on video? Content consumer. Yes, I'm creating content, intelligent content. Yes, I am a content creator. Just like the movie where then they go show and I say then they heal person, say they see this one. What be the one where they see, say they see where she buy house? Now me still start that saga too. What be Oga? Why you not they do like say no be? I hear say some people say, call one girl name, say she buy house. She even come out, come do testimony. Yeah? What be the name of that girl again? That girl for Enugu, where they say I say buy duplex. Girl where hunger they finish for Enugu. I think say we keep quiet since now. The case is still there on for court. The case still there. At the end of this case, we go know who lie and who tell the truth. Me, I know the accused person falsely. Juliet. Juliet. I said it is part of my evidence. I can't wait to enter defense. I can't wait to enter defense. Ada tears name. I can't wait to enter defense. Like I dey wait. Man, I ask go come on Onyonum and Zoras. Now them fit talk now. Me, I no go fit talk until after the voting. But I don't dey write book. I don't dey write am for una no say me I be author now. I mean the thing say all this comedy we dey do here be my this thing. No, I'm a writer. You don't have problem with writers and don't get your name written about. Make them they stretch the case, they go, me, I'm not in a haste. I swear, many people don't come and say, make I drop this case. Lovette, yes, it's Lovette, not Juliet, Lovette. When I heard the Lovette story now. Lovett own small for the one. E get some one wey happen wey una no know. I said the person wey e happen to na my uncle. In fact, he just became a professor. He just became a professor less than 2 months ago. Nnamdi wey dey that place wey una dey talk, wey that guy mention, no be me mention o, na him mention. Nnamdi wey dey work with them, wey their legal officer wey big, na him schoolmate for Futo, na him colleague for Futo. They know me now. I say we dey too close, but these people no know. No be all these things. See, to settle with these people na small thing to me. I dey tell you, to settle with them, for us settle with them, nobody go even hear am sef. Mainly if to say me wan settle with them, even through, I no wan call a political person wey be say, because I don say him dey run for office now. Na somebody wey dey House of Reps o, but I no go mention him name. For maturity, this, e get discussion wey no be for general consumption. But if you dey close with Deji, you ask am. Ihe ji aka darụ nwanne m nwoke Cameroon. You ask am. If you dey close to Deji, you go explain to you. Deji tell me say make we leave that thing, say no be. You know say Deji no dey like quarrel. I dey tell you. Deji is an activist, but his own part of activism na make peace reign. Okay, I dey there, your own. This person dey your own. Make everybody find common good, common ground somewhere. Deji bin no wan make we. Now later come realize, and na wetin make Deji no even call some kind people I say make you call when e happen. But any person wey say the knife no sharp, make e try am again. Na why I dey wait for this Wosu that calls himself IB and Wadaji. I wan show them power. Me block one on Coco. I wan show them power. They know why they lie to you. They release him to come and wear mask and witness against Nnamdi Kanu. Who be your fucking Nnamdi Kanu? Who be your fucking Nnamdi Kanu where I don't destroy anything? Now I go one come witness against Nnamdi Kanu, I go wear mask with the craze. You don't hear me, you don't see me, they hide, they do something before. I know the machete person from back, now from front. Make you know say na me, go know say, if I go even tell you when I dey come. Make they try again. When you get to catch the next round, they do yeah. When call the okay, you have to come and verify a shorty. Shorty still there. No be fake shorty I use. And people ready to stand. Other plan fail. I'm not at disadvantage on that matter. If I am, I would have settled with them now. I will settle out of court. You know, girl, when I settle out of court, they no go calculate all my money where my take flight. My flight ticket, my hotel bill, my everything go pay am. Plus short up money. If not, I go come out on top. I go come out on top. If I want settle, if I want make this case, and no, I know how to do. I know people I go call. Now, wait. You know, say if I dey, you know, say me I love doing my own openly now. Now, do I want make you know, you go know. Ah, maybe this person dey busy. This person go dey busy. Ha! Prof.
Ah,
Udo the prof elewe na. Ị na-enweta onwe gị. Udo dị. Ị na-enweta onwe gị.
Yes,
Ọ ịdụ nwoke. No, I'm outside. I know Nigeria and maybe I'm travel. Sunday gara church. Agwa m onye ndidi ya bụ no Istanbul ka natara oridi the last one. I got them church in enyi nwoke mere m invite. Ngara Blue Bible no my brother. What do I got church without Bible? Enyi gị nwoke nna ndịkwa. Ọ nọ Canada bi.
Yes.
Okay, ngwa sị ya na m chọrọ ikwuru ya. O mechaa sị ya na m chọrọ ikwuru ya. Ya kpọọ m. Yes, this number ya kpọọ m ebe a. Ma ọ dere message mme ka m kpọọ ya. Ya kpọrọ m mgbe m nọ online. Ya kpọrọ mgbe m nọ online. All just private discussion. Udo dị. E get discussion wey me and am get for court wey I wan tell am. No be about this case I wan talk to am. Me, I know the ambush person. If I want discuss something with you, I go tell you openly. Me, I know the ambush person. I know they go corner. I don't know. Now me want make them the hear. Wetin me and I want discuss, they totally different. And not be anybody business. If I like, I settle with them. Nothing concern anybody. I just want to show you, say, I'm not in a haste. I'm not in a haste. I know they like say, oh, make a call, I call them. I go record them. The only people where if I dey talk with them, I must record them, na IPOB people. The only people where I go record their call, na IPOB people. Because these are stinking, dirty, backstabbing people. When I don't see the people who suffer for them finish now. General, all the general court, can you imagine after all their suffering, all his suffering for Nnamdi Kanu? Hapo yeje court na Germany. That court, I'm antaku ishi that guy yo. Onye ọ ga-ata isi ya bụ Yoshi Kanu nta. Because general ha bụ ndị gburu wayo, ọnụ wa gburu mmadụ wayo. Nne nna ya anya. Ọndọ ọ ga-ata isi ha. They are the only people who get record their call. No wife. I'm not a difficult person to take for more. If I came and say thank you for the 99. Nah, all those of now, I know the CC start date here. Where my bell? Make a ring bell for you. For if I came busy, I'm with a woman. I'm with a woman. Like I'm saying, I know these people. Oh, if I want to do this, I send that to them through the Gina. Through the G. Dejina my guy. Me and them, they agree on everything. No, they should not be Christian. I don't know, I think say they should like all those programs they get with pastors. You know what? You know like them. You know like them. You don't tell me even you know like all those fake pastors, so, but you know what make they get issues with them. It's like nah, Ijele leave this thing, you know, face other things. Everything dey my hand as you dey see like this. Me, I know I can never panic, I can never fear. Me, I say if I wan settle this case na like this, and no be anybody business. You go just see me for front of the church, I go dey dance. No be say they go force me to come o. I like it. I like him ka like him may you game is yako yakotoba. I like yoga be me juwan yo no nti na no na aju ke all the madu dey here. Normally I'm not a difficult human being. Africa we dey and down akoyi. Ask those who know me, I be a jolly guy if you follow me. Thank you so much, Obioma. Normally, me, anybody where they talk rubbish now who know me. Every Ghana from a bob no good from outside, every Ghana from outside the way by the DJ. And the highest table up on the back, I got from there. Ndị nke nọ na Amsterdam, mbọsụ unu from na Amsterdam ebe ka unu from? Ndị nke Vienna, ndị from na Vienna, ebe ka unu from na Vienna? Onye unu from na ya, onye na-eri ego ka onye na-ada eri ego. Ndị nke Swiss, mbọsụnụ from na Swiss ka ọ dị. No, name ofu obodo ị ga-afụ like isi na njego. Ị na-ama afụ ebe a na-emechi ihe ike. Name one. On Istanbul, ordinary Sunday nkịtị na a na-apụ you know, that time I dey go church na. After church, you follow me waka. You no go chop for your house that day now. You no go chop for your house that day. I mean, make I dey give you name. Ask them know. Them know all of them, all those bingos where you dey see. But I dey my own people just carry trouble dey come. They just say me I no go give you times 20. You never see something. I go abandon everything. Business or everything, you know, face you go down before I leave you. You go down like I know you no go rest. First, I will deny you peace of mind. I go deny you peace of mind, and I'm doing that to warn the rest of the people. I'm going to be a gang of petition. Not be yourself. No, I'm going to the bag a day. I know fear. I'm going to have room with you. Can you use you? All Guagam, Guagi Bunia. Guagi Bunia. So, my people. Uche onye ọbụla adịghị enweghị onye bụ obere nwa ahụ. Ịghọtago? Enweghị onye bụ tata. Enweghị onye bụ tata. Don't just see somebody if you really your governors no go do anything. Thunder Bobukwe Hope ụzọ dị mma ma ọ bụ na ife ilinu na o nwere ihe ọ ga-eme m mechi ọnụ. Emecha na ha sị na asị Thunder Bobukwe Hope ụzọ dị mma mana ọ okwu ka m ji akwuo. Thunder Bobukwe any person unu feel na o nwere ihe ọ ga-agba m nne. Many people I respect have told me, Mickey, don't tell me. Say Ijele, and he said, no. It's not a decision I will just make. There's not a decision I will just make like that. Yeah, because I was wronged. I was wronged. I never lied against you. You brought all the lies of Nnamdi Kanu because you know people and you know politicians. Now me all those politicians one gang up against you no go work. Are you people aware that this case was taken to Oju Kanu? I know what he said. I know the condition he gave. That's why I'm telling you, this Nnamdi Kanu matter. All your politicians, their hands damn, regardless of the party. You go live the court, their court record, they go call all the people where they involved. Yes. OUK. That mean they tell you. Oju Kanu will not say that people did not contact him on that case after they went through all those lies. And he knew they were lying. They're telling me a sign undertaking. Chukwuka be a sign undertaking. Not to talk about insecurity in the Southeast again. Muata. Come on, get out. Get out. I'm saying it openly. Copy it and send to him. Call to Ayahuku now. Just send it to him. He will not deny it. Una Muhammadu naka haba na case ya. Ask Abi. Ask Esther. Ask T. This is not exposing private conversation. This one now open where people know. You see Egbon Woye played a huge role in my coming out. But the biggest thanks should go to the military. Yes. Because if they didn't recommend that reinvestigation, DSS no good. You know, said if DSS, let her investigate this case now. No, now when I want to start my own lawsuit, all these ones won't come out. So I know they understand. This one, what did they do for? I said, I laugh. They laugh. They don't even know waiting the shop and how many people will go collect. As for Hezekiah, don't worry, I go still to show you and I say nothing dey pa, I go still bring Hezekiah matter. We go dey knock am here. He own adjournment in October. The case is still there on. Ndị chọọchị SCáM na-echena ya na Chineduru na-eje. Why do you think they are dealing with Chineduru but they are avoiding me? The woman, because he owned the judge, very funny judge, very nice man. I don't know his record though, but at least he gives me opportunity to talk. Me and him dey chat like this. He go think say I don't enter the fence because he wants to know everything. Justice Daniel Emeka, I no go mention his last name. Yes. If you want laugh, come to in courtroom. If you wan laugh, come to im courtroom, you go laugh tire like this. You wan come dey lie for in front, he go dey look you, dey use joke until he go knack you. In fact, make I could give una the name Justice Osiago. If your matter dey in hand, depending on the type of matter and non-interest case, don't worry, nothing go happen to you. If na non-interest, I don't know how you dey do interest case, so I go use my own, no. But non-interest case, now when you get matter, you go know say they get interest case and non-interest case. If na non-interest case and you know say your hand clean, leave am go. They pray make they give you Justice Osiago. Or you do am, call in courtroom, no wasting time, just tell am the truth. If na 10 years, if he give you 2 years. And do it when you go take talk to you, go no say you know say you do am. And you understand that, but he go just pity you. I don't know about Jesco, my brother. I don't have any information yet on him. But you know, say this one, I say every eye day. Forget all the lies where they tell on her. Well, admit self, I no go. If I tell you everything, the book no go sweet again now. If I tell everything, the book no go sweet. You know, say some of my guys where they tell me, and now people I dey respect you. They don't know Makasimia from Osu would want me to end this case. Just like the other person from Osu, I will not mention his name. But I be the biggest donor to Osu people for this way they do. If they participate with those of you from Osu, you know who I they talk about. You don't tell me, say, Ijele, you don't like make I stress myself. Say, make I go settle with these people, this and that. You know, even my mother don't talk that one. She knows saying a stone she born. You talk finish. Okay? Many people don't so those of Unamona, nobody panic. Don't panic. We're ready for them for everywhere. And my happiness be say all the place where they carry my name go gossip, they don't find out the truth. Now, why you don't need to lie is that once your lie is exposed, there's no other way back. And you don't get another way if you do again. Who go? Wait, which lie you want to go tell them again? Say the IPOB member. They went and showed them this cut video for you to know the people where their hand did that thing. So no be one baby virgin. You understand? No be one baby virgin. They went and showed them that IPOB video. That video. You remember when I went to confront them in Istanbul where they give me mic? Why I thought 6 minutes they go cut and join into 2 minutes. That the nonsense video where they carry. Now they send people to people for villa. Yes, that is how shameless your politicians are. All the ones who see me, they mention their hand they there. Now them, because of Nnamdi Kanu, now they Nnamdi Kanu this Sokoto, they go stay fire. Now them. You see why I go punish this ones where they call them IB. I dey wait for an invitation. I dey wait for an invitation. Who's Amadio? I dey okay. This na a petition. I dey wait for an invitation. I want show you say I know who you are and what you want to do, but I will now punish you. All this on a video where una dey promote it at home. No worry, let me make it so plain to you people. You go come answer for them. No delete them. I don't download the important ones, so I don't download them. Instead, I go forgive these people. I forgive Nwa baby virgin. I swear. I will be more open to forgive Nwa baby virgin and Hezekiah than make I forgive these people. If it will cost me every last penny, I will do it. They must come and defend those their sisters at home they were calling for. Now I go explain the terrorism law for you. You go learn. Show you the law. We go show you the law. I go show you the law. I sit and say the important. But can we release it? Oh, you are giving support, material support to a prescribed organization. It dey there under the law. You go collect. Instead, I no go pursue that case. I go settle with Nwa baby virgin, use the money, fund that case. Of course, I have the resources to do it without even settling with them. Lawyer no go cost me shishi. I get lawyers. Lawyer no go cost me shishi. I go call the Ijele nation. If we reach where we need to pay some lawyers, Ijele nation we go do it. So no be waiting. You see, I'm not in a haste. I'm not in a haste. I'm never under panic. Only crayfish. Because we kept quiet. In a dere cheeky petition body petitioner. If they write petition, next thing no be invitation. Make them bring the invitation. Our lawyer go answer now. Then me go write my own petition for Abuja here. You see that? Ask Hezekiah, the case where Hezekiah open for his father, you know where I open am? Oka. Ask am where they do the case now. Lagos. Now me say make they bring her come Lagos. And if I say make they bring her come Abuja, they go bring her come Abuja. Go ask Hezekiah, they talk am openly. Justice Hilva. I be make I show on the document. Not be for general consumption. Now why I go show you? Say waiting. I won't convince you. Ask them. But the day where you said, ask them the kind person will come there and from which office. Let them say this matter is over here first. Of which, if I want me to throw away the case, they go to it. I say na lie. Say make we dey go court. Because to throw away the case na the advantage, not my advantage. Say make the end the lie. Justice Osiago told me now. Say why don't you just apologize so this thing will end? I told him I will not stop this case even if they apologize to me. Yes, this is what I told Justice Osiago. If na lie, make them go tell judge, say see what I talk. Should everybody dey listen now. Justice Osiago told me, my friend, mind you, I dey Ikoyi this time when this thing dey happen. I dey Ikoyi. And na the case hold my coming out. We be say, Nwa baby virgin case ended under 2 months now. They go bring this one come. Where be say if I want to negotiate, I say okay, they go cancel, I say like yeah, no, I will not. I must go home on my own terms. They say I must come out on my own terms. What I do for me with the privilege? The in charge for Ikoyi na from Owerri. Ask am how many people wey call am. Wey they wan think say they wan do their father anything una dey craze. The general for Ikoyi, the general number 1 for Ikoyi, come even be person wey I know for first start. Akpache. That time for FAK3, I know where the office dey sef. This one say, bro, you crying? You be like me, you dey do this eye. This eye. No, they see where. Now, Akpache, you know me, all you guys, none of the big guys were there, they don't know me. Jude Okoye, all of us there together there. This P square, you know, say now why when I go they talk all this way when they talk. When I go they see Peter as innocent person, I they laugh on her. Me, I know do I'm too much for people, now brothers them be, where they go settle their matter. But I saw how Jude was going to court. And all these artists when they talk, I know people where they come visit them. If I tell on all these things, who go come buy the book? Eh? Who go come buy the book? Man, I asked Hezekiah on call, the owner of Living Christ Mission. Yeah. Now, help us, I didn't mind his funding. Help us, I didn't mind will be Hezekiah friend. Eh? On I think say me, I send all those people. Okay, Adadalo. On I think say I send all those people. I can only respect your office as a governor. I no go come here, come dey insult and do this thing. But all of these people, I don't respect them. If not for someone like Honorable Obi, you get many things where I for join people they do about hope. But then my criticism will then be watered down. You go make tomorrow if you want to criticize person, they will say, oh, not because of this, because of that. No. I can only criticize you when there is legitimate reason to do so. I respect people who deserve my respect because they respect me. But if people like Honorable Obi could not get me to leave, when I did that, before I come out now, Honorable Obi told me, nah, leave this thing, leave that thing. I said, damn. For me to not listen to someone of that stature that I know what he has done for me. You know, some of you will be saying you are angry about the man. No, me, I appreciate even a little thing you did for me from your heart. That smallest thing you see like this, I will always hold this as debt to you. And for that, I will preserve your respect. I will respect you for it. I don't mad. Madam pray. I know there is some people. Now you go first insult yourself, then I go come carry you, rob you for month. I don't care what be your position. And before I go do, I go check your weaknesses, check your opening. Then come go befriend person wey dig pass you. Now I go come tell am say see, you go do head like this, then I go knock you. By the time you are even the guys will cheer. And the man no give the mapta na main road. You mapta came, abagi came. You got to go. But before you do that, you need to shoot quick and go. Why do you think I'm loved by important people? Go check all the people where they insult their father, useless people of no value. Like you see somebody, hey, I never listen to you. Like you need to tell one man na ko here. Oh, go no you get you here. Obu on ijiri ka gi na gachi. Obu yiki no na meeting ebe gi na your guys no like who the hell are you? I did like your typical follow page. Ena jomo gi kekwe bu ni nkas. I am also good unu budo nende. Like unu na exist or buru di na echetere mu ni na exist. Doesn't that show you na enwe ihe njigeme? Doesn't that show you na enwe ihe njigeme? And you see some people because they follow your platform 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or this are like to go to familiarize with each other. Or they are carrying away the condition, now you should what these people more. How are the Chapanda? You know, ask before you tell somebody that thing, go ask those that know him. They call to mother off. They call them. Also, kwa geboro ufunem. A warrior, I will cut you off. I will cut you off. Confosiko ngo a total stranger. Umokoko. Then you have those that will think they will threaten you. When they can threaten more. Of course, you know my power. That's why many of you have always used fake accounts. I can wait again with it. The content. You create your own content. Now let's see. Post something. Camera me get 500 views. If it easy, go post your content. Mpama. If it easy, post your own content. Let's see. Gather 2,000 followers first. I'm not here. Post your own content. See this one where dey my page. What is Ijele occupation? You are my page. Welcome to the 21st century. Anumpama. Welcome to the 21st century. Illiterate. Umubingo. Thank you for burning your data here. Ozu. Thank you for burning your data here. Akpam. So my people, as they are preparing to do miracle, tell them to give you one verified one first. So I will have to draw the curtain here. Like I said, it will be day of marathon videos. I will come live. Those of you that are Biafra agitators, not in the Biafra, this book, some of the lies they told you about Biafra were dispelled in this book. And this book has more clarity than some of most of the books that were written about the war. The name is The Politics of Biafra and the Future of Nigeria, Chudi of Udele. Like I said, draw your own conclusions. I've read it. As you can see, now the author signed up for me. This is his autograph. This is his autograph. na chief of Udele himself. Na he sign am for me, watch am. Best wishes Ijele, see it here, and the signature. So me, I don't criticize what I don't know. That's why I want you to do your own research. I'm not going to explain the book to you. Okay? You read it, draw your own conclusions. Me, I have my disagreement. Of course, you know my own book, Revised 66, is diametrically opposed to most things here, but there are many knowledge you get from this. Political history. See, Dr. Ekweme bid for power. See the chapters, important chapters. This is chapter 14. The Asika years. How many of you know about the Asika? You know, this is well researched. So many information you will get when you read this book. Okay? For those of you who are the actual Biafra agitators, because I believe when you read this book, you will know how to go about whatever you say you are looking for. Then, with the reality on the ground, you see whether it's if it's achievable in the next 10-20 years. Not to Wushi Baba, Brixton and Peckham Baba. Shebo Shifuruzo, Wushi failed idiot. No way you're now. Jobless fool. They are now good. We've met we've met in Israel, we've met in the France. Be deceiving you people, and you went and went our place. Hey, if I happen won't make sense. Amadi go back a longest time. So, Ijele, if now you write that book, keep one for PG Sabo. No, this is not my own. It's Chudo of Udele. This one is from Chudo of Udele. Ojuku's Biafra was suicidal. Of course. Although this book did not quite agree that he's suicidal, but if they blame, there are places he blamed Ojukwu too. You know? So many of our people were to see Britain and the horrors of war. You know, so many things. It's a very rich book. The Igbo political trajectory. See Nnamdi Azikiwe, you know, he explains so many things. And so many of Ojukwu's lies he exposed it to. Even though he didn't paint Ojukwu as a villain, which he's supposed to paint him as a villain. Yes, in my own book, Ojukwu is a villain. Alright? So find it, I think you can find it in stores if you were able to find itself, because this book is very difficult to get. It's super difficult to get. You have to, now by connection. The first edition has a very thick back. It's better than this one, but this one, you know, they added certain things to it. Probably by Safari. It's a very nice book. Boarding Pass United Nigeria. Yes, organic. Yeah, my secondary. You know, when I want to read a book, I will read it straight, back to back. Then I will start again. That is how you understand the book. Try and learn how to read book. That way, you know, you begin to fall in love with reading. All these who knows, if they are readers, they will know the importance of this page. That is when they will appreciate what we do here. That's why you see we dey pursue them. I had a Ijele back here. We select only the important. That's why if you call a right pen block, our block industry now, so it dey expand every day. Some people will just say, leave them. They bring traffic, which not say, come on, call traffic. I go block your destiny. Thank you, my people.